Today we're testing the Selle SMP E-Trk Medium Gel saddle. This retails for $99. On their website it says top choice for trekking bikes, highly comfortable padding with additional comfort element provided by the self-moulding gel that makes the saddle perfect for any paths. I mean, this bike is for touring, trekking and city, they say, but I would imagine it would be pretty good as a mountain bike saddle as well. So the padding is polyurethane gel. It's got a SVT cover, copolymer polypropylene body. The rails are made of steel, and obviously this is in black. I've got the non-gel version of this and I love it. I can't wait to try the gel version. The padding level is described as thick, and it also has SMP's vacuum tech cover, which is where they suck the cover onto the padding and the body, which means it shouldn't come off, which is really good. So you don't feel any seams, you don't feel any discomfort at all. Okay, let's have a look at the saddle. So 100% made in Italy. That's what it looks like in the side profile. Almost like a horse riding saddle, which I like. Nice big cutaway, quite a wide nose, nice long rails for adjustment. Underneath you can see, and at the back you get the SMP logo. I'm itching to test how much more comfortable the gel is over the one I've currently got. So I think what we'll do is we'll get this one on the bike and we'll take it for a ride. Okay, so I've got a pair of cycling shorts on for this test, because most people who ride this saddle will be cyclists. Just so that there's no, so you know where I'm coming from. This is my Selle SMP E-Trk saddle. This one's the gel one. So this is where we're coming from. As you can see, they're practically identical shape. But we're going to do a test on this one. You can see from the camera that the profile of the saddle, but this one has got the gel insert, so I'm really interested to see how much more comfortable this is over the one I use all the while. So I'm going to get on really precariously because I don't want to test the saddle until I'm clipped in. Okay, so expectations are high. Oh wow. That's mad, it's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. It's very impressive. The thing with Selle saddles is, and this is all the ones we've tested, you just sit in them, not on them. I just feel like every part of my body, every part of my bum is being supported properly. The difference is remarkable. And I think with a saddle like this you could do a lot of miles. You're not going to be thinking about pressure sores, you're not going to be thinking about I should add as well that I've just put this saddle on in a close position to where my other one was. It's nowhere near accurately fitted. I've literally just bunged it on and it is so comfortable. You feel a little bit like the saddle moves underneath you. It can be a little bit disconcerting sometimes because it is moving. But You're supported as well. It's a very good feeling, very comfortable saddle. Am I noticing the extra gel? Yeah, I am, I think. Because I think it's just offering a little bit more comfort than mine. It's very good. It's really good. It's a really good saddle. Would I buy one of these? Well, I've got the one without the gel. I think when that's worn out, I think I will get the gel one. I think I'll get the gel one because it is, you get marginally more comfort and support. And you could genuinely, you could do a lot of miles on this. A lot of miles. You just feel like it's holding you. It's very good. I'm very impressed.